how to check Facebook account created date. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Facebook application. After that, tap on the menu bar from your top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. After that, go to Settings. Now go to See More in Account Center. Scroll down and then Account Settings, go to Your Information and Permission. Now go to Your Information. Scroll down and then go to Personal Information. And here you can see your account creation date. The date that you created your account is 29th March 2024. So that means I created this account on 29th March 2024. So that's how you can find out your account creation date on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.